In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print to PDF with high quality in PowerPoint. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or personal projects, having a polished and professional-looking PDF can make a big difference. Let's dive right into it. First, to get started, head over to your Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then launch Microsoft PowerPoint. This is your go-to tool for creating visually appealing presentations. Once PowerPoint is up, you have the option to open an existing presentation or start a new one. If you choose to create a new one, it's the perfect time to add your photos, tables, and any other content that you need. Ensure everything is arranged just the way you want it, as this will translate directly to your PDF output. With your presentation ready, click on File in the top menu. You'll see multiple options, but for our task, look for Export or Save As. Clicking this will bring up the Save dialog box. Take a moment here to update the file name. It's always a good practice to give your file a descriptive name for easy identification later on. Next, you'll need to change the Save As type. By default, PowerPoint may want to save your file in a PowerPoint format, but click on the drop-down menu and select PDF or XPS. This is crucial for converting your presentation into a PDF file. Once you've done this, check that the setting is set to Standard. This ensures that the output is of higher quality, something particularly important if you plan on printing or sharing your presentation. This is the default setting, but it's always worth confirming. Now, let's delve into further customization. Click on the Options button. This menu is quite handy because it allows you to decide which slides you want to include in your PDF. Maybe you only need part of the presentation to be shared. No problem. Just select those specific slides. Also, within this menu, you can choose the layout of your PDF, such as converting your slides into a handout format or an outline view, depending on your audience's needs. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, the final step is to click Save. This will create your high-quality PDF file based on the specifications you've chosen. And there you have it, a seamless process to transform your PowerPoint presentation into a polished PDF document. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.